Hey up, people of this interwebs. Today I'm going to be doing something really exciting. Or maybe not that exciting, depending on your views of what excitement really means to you. Which is a question we should all be asking ourselves in today's sort of modern era. What is excitement? And what does it mean to you? Anyway, I'm going to be recolouring Henrietta's steering wheel. There you go. Read the safety instruction. I just have to caveat right now that don't take this as completely the best way of doing this. This isn't someone who knows what they're doing recolouring the steering wheel. This is someone who's having a first attempt at recolouring the steering wheel. If I were doing it properly, I'd have took the steering wheel off for a start and then be in garage doing it. But quite frankly, I can't be arsed with all that malarkey, so I'm just going to do it in situ. It shouldn't be a problem. So just a bit of a before shots on there. So as you can see, yeah, it's like the steering wheel's kind of gone discoloured all the way around, pretty much on there. So first step is to kind of, well, I'm going to mask these bits off basically, just to make sure I don't get anything on there. And then the next bit is to put a wipe, basically wipe all this stuff off. So it might bring the colour out that's already on there, or it might just take the top bit off. But yeah, that's the next two stages. So let me see if I can pop you somewhere where you can watch me do that. Which will be exciting, won't it? So apologies, I've got you set up at a bit of a jaunty angle there. Let me see if I can just move that down a bit. Maybe that's a bit better. Yeah, we'll see how we get on with that. Oh, masking tape. This bit might not be completely necessary. But it's better to be safe than sorry. As Aha once told us, it's not very good, this masking tape, although it were like £2 for about 14 miles worth of it. And we'll do a bit on bottom. Oh god, it's gone wrong already. Come on, stupid thing. It's only really so I don't get anything on this visible part here in case it reacts or anything. It shouldn't do, apparently it should be totally safe, but I was watching a Project Nigel video the other day. Yesterday, that was another day. And I swear on the Rover that he started up, the little airbag symbol lit up orange. Is that a thing? I think it ran that 416. Is it Vaughan? Right, that's masked up as badly as you could ever mask anything up. So next step is me just going to put some gloves on and then have a look in these bottles. One of them's a cleaner, one of them's a dye, one of them's a top coat, and then have a look at some instructions just to make sure I'm not doing anything a bit wrong. So I'll be back in a sec. I'll take this out your way. Told you I wouldn't be long, didn't I? So, preparation is the single most important step in the entire recolouring process, which is pretty much like spray painting. You should always do prep and make sure you've done lots of prep. God, he's revving. Yeah, if you do bad prep, then you're going to get a bad finish. Unless the leather surface is totally free of oils, waxes and grease, the colourant and sealer will not adhere properly and may result in a premature separation from the leather surface. So basically we need to get all protection off this, so it's just back down to its leather and possibly colourant bits. If recolouring a wood / leather and leather steering wheel, mask off the bits, blah 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 blah. Preparation. Apply the leather prep to a cotton wool pad and rub into the leather. This should remove the factory coating and any oil or grease. Keep cleaning using a new area of cotton pad until all contaminants are removed. It may be that a slight coating of the original dye remains, so I'm expecting some of this grey to come off then. This is not a problem. The main purpose is to totally remove oils and grease. Allow the prep to fully evaporate before applying the colourant. Should there be any really stubborn grease, use a green scouring pad to rub them off, but don't use the foam bit, because the foam bit will melt with this isotope thingy-majig. Yeah, isotone. Right, let's have a look. It weren't too bad, this. I think it was like 18 quid off eBay, this kit. So, well, I'd say it weren't too bad. We'll see, won't we, when we try it. We'll see what it's like. So here's his leather prep. Now apparently this stuff's quite potent. I used to work at a place where we made circuit boards, and I think isotope were one of the cleaners that we used on there. Can't remember why we used it. What did we use it for? Well, I don't know, but yeah, it's quite potent. So I'm just going to spray some on here. There. I'm going to drip this on the seat. I think I'm just going to go around it. I'll do this top bit first, and then I'll do that bit, and then that bit, and then the bottom bit last. These cars are too round. Stop being so round. I feel we may go through quite a few of these makeup removing pads. This place does these leather dyes for all the Rover interior colours, and they were really helpful because I thought I knew which colour it was, but I didn't want to order one just in case I'd got wrong colour or something. So I messaged him with a picture at VIN plate showing what interior colour code were, and he confirmed that it was the right one. Yeah, I'm wondering how much of that's old dye coming off. I don't know how much of it's picking up on video, but yeah, it's bringing some of the grey out of it, and obviously you can see on there. The idea is to get rid of any sort of oils and stuff. It seems pretty oil free. It's very squeaky. think see it's getting less and less now. So I think I'll do another pass over at top, and then I'll do the rest of them. I'll not film them because it's just going to be the same as doing this bit, and it's not very exciting for you, is it? So I'll stop you now, and then I'll show you afterwards when I've cleaned it. So I've been round it now. I don't know whether you can tell on video. I'll have to do some close-ups in a bit. It's a lot less shiny than it was now, so I assume that's the top coat coming off. I want to do a final pass now with another pad on there. I don't know whether I'm doing it completely right as it is. I've been doing it for about 20 minutes maybe, but we shall see what happens. So this stuff evaporates quite quickly anyway. So I'm just rubbing my steering wheel, and then I'll show you what we've got on it. Yeah, so there's a lot less now than there were before. So we're either at the end or getting to the thick end of it. I'll get it on there again. So I think we're about done with that bit. So we can put top back on there so we don't drink it. So,